Hey everyone, it's Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures. Today we're going to feature our accessories that we've added to our Trail Racks roof rack with the Pax Racks accessory arms. We put some traction boards, shovel, and axe. So stay tuned, we'll get you going. Now I did go ahead and take off the accessory bracket that came with them Pax Racks and put on their universal traction boards in. So I put those in place. I've got this Max Track SKUs here just because I didn't want to unlock them, but just to kind of show you an illustration here. So what I did is I pulled the door out to where the window was, and I basically measured it. So that way I could get an idea of how far back to set this bracket. Now it will hang off the end back here a little bit, but that's the only way you're going to get this to where the Max Tracks mount up to where the window won't hit it. So the window up here, I can show you this. Basically, if you wanted to get to where it's right on that edge there, it's about a 4 1/8 inch. So I would start out around 4 1/8, maybe 4 1/4, and then just be very careful once you get your Max Tracks on it to make sure the glass doesn't hit. So take it out real slow, so that way you'll know if it hits it or not. I mean, you know, you want to give yourself just a tiny bit of room to wiggle with, but not a lot. As you can see here, you know, I've got a rope and some lock around this scenario here to keep the Max Tracks on. I keep some thieves on here. So just want to show you that real quick. All right, so the Max Tracks board is back where it's supposed to be. You got it on. So you know, this is a pretty tight. I left it pretty tight. So I'm gonna pull this out slowly just to kind of show you guys. So you open the door, the window slides down a little bit, of course. But look, I left maybe a, I don't know, an 1/8 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch clearance right there. It's pretty tight, maybe tighter than most people are willing to put up with. But I definitely wanted to get as close forward as I could. That way it wasn't hanging off too far in the back, because you can see it hangs off, you know, a few inches past the edge of the hardtop. So that's how I did that. So just want to show it to you guys real quick. Yeah, so just so you know, I didn't get the holes didn't line up completely, so I had to go with the level 3 security lock. I might try if I figure out if I can do something else to make sure these are more secure. Obviously, I don't want people yanking them off and bashing my window or hurting somebody with an axe. That wouldn't be good. But anyway, so I put some links below to the axe itself and to the shovel that I got. I didn't want to get too big of a shovel, but I wanted to get one that I could use, you know, for when I'm camping and such like that. But I think this is a pretty good looking piece. I probably won't leave this on here all the time, especially living in the city, because I mean, if somebody really wanted to, they could figure out a way to steal it probably. So anyway, I want to show you that. I also put these grab handles up here. Now I did put them here for now. I may move them over to probably either there or there, because the main point is to use those to grab, step on the slider base, reach up and grab, and pull yourself up easier. It does make it a lot easier. So anyway, I want to show it to you guys real quick. Got this all wrapped up, and we're ready to go. Right here's the other grab handle on the driver's side. Like I said, we may move it probably over to here or here a little bit. You know, it's pretty quick and easy and self-explanatory install. So I'm not going to go through it step by step, but you guys get the gist. So all right, if you like this video and more videos, please like and subscribe. We'll put affiliate link down below for trail racks. Get your rack or your rack accessories, as well as a shovel and the axe, and some traction boards. So anyway, want to show this to you guys. Hope you guys like. Please consider liking and subscribing. Got a lot more stuff to come.